That's huge, absolutely huge. That's huge, absolutely huge. He's used the angle, it's rolled into the stumps, and Coley at the other end acknowledges what the ex-skipper has done. Dhoni has stayed still. That's what I admire about the hitting ability. So still and out of here. Well, that is amazing caught and bowled, one-handed. Always difficult in a follow-through.
Not in his arc. Doesn't get the power MS Dhoni. Hits the toe of the bat.
Yeah, it's a good shot. That is just full of class. I mean, what can you say? There's only so many superlatives. He has just opened the face of the bat on impact to expose the gap.
Outstanding.